Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? In this video, I am going to show you how to add text box shapes in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to add text box shape. Go to the blank page. Then go to the tools section and select the shapes drop down menu. Now we can see here many tools. Now I select the segment tool. Then draw the segment, press shift on our keyboard. Now we want to add text to this segment. Select the frame text tool and draw the text frame into these shapes. Then write anything to these shapes. You can change the color or otherwise you can change the size to this shape. Then click outside of the shape and text box. Then select this multiple object and click right button on our mouse and make it group. Now we can see we make a shape text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.